Early humans weren't weak cavemen. They were apex predators. Exactly. That weak caveman image is a modern myth. Early humans were apex endurance predators, not because they were the strongest animal in the savannah, but because they were the smartest, toughest, and most relentless. They ran prey to exhaustion under the sun. They fought lions, hyenas, and giant snakes with nothing but coordination, stone tools, and raw nerve. They survived wounds, hunger, heat, and cold that would break most modern humans in days. Their bodies were built for it. Dense bones, powerful grips, extreme pain tolerance, high stamina, not comfort. Nature didn't pamper them. It forged them. How did early humans hunt animals bigger, faster, and stronger than themselves? They became nature's ultimate strategists. They didn't outrun prey, they outlasted it. Persistence hunting meant tracking an animal for hours until it collapsed from pure exhaustion. While animals overheated, humans sweated. We could keep moving under a brutal sun while our prey literally cooked from the inside. One human was weak, but a group was unstoppable. Coordination allowed us to surround and take down giants even lions would fear. Simple stone-tipped spears weren't just tools, they were lethal. We didn't need instant kills, we just needed time. We studied behavior, migration, and water sources. We didn't just hunt with muscle, we hunted with fearless intelligence. Early humans didn't hunt like animals, they hunted like nature's master strategists. That is how we became the apex predator. Early humans were not the fastest, they were not the strongest. They had no claws, no fangs, yet they hunted with time. On the African savanna, speed meant nothing. Most animals could sprint, but only for minutes. We chose a target, and we followed. Under the burning sun, we jogged. We tracked. We could sweat to cool our bodies. Our prey could not. Minutes turned into hours. The animal's muscles overheated. Its legs weakened. Fear did the rest. Every time it ran, it burned energy. Every time it stopped, we closed the distance. This was persistence hunting. When it finally collapsed, there was no fight, just exhaustion. We were built to move for a very long time. We weren't weak cavemen, we were endurance predators, given the ability to never stop. Early humans did not hunt with noise. They hunted with silence. No battle cries, no chaos. On the open plains, sound meant failure. A single warning call could scatter prey for miles. So they learned to move quietly, communicating with hand signals and eye contact. They didn't chase blindly. They surrounded, slowly shrinking the animal's escape routes. Large animals were suddenly trapped by intelligence, not muscle. Stone-tipped spears struck vital areas. This was strategy before civilization. Other predators hunted with teeth and claws. Humans hunted with planning. They were lethal. They hunted in silence. And they struck with brutal precision. No hospitals, no painkillers. Every injury could be fatal. Every mistake meant extinction. Bones were denser, joints built for stress. They moved because stopping meant death. Pain was something to endure. They functioned through wounds that would break us today. Survival instincts ruled. Brains evolved to detect threats instantly. Fear sharpened them. Hunger pushed limits. They hunted while starving, facing predators larger than themselves. Safety softened us, but the ancient wiring remains. In crisis, we tap into this strength. They were survivors. They didn't conquer the world by chance. They endured it. Modern humans fear the dark. A sound in the bushes triggers panic. A predator documentary makes us uncomfortable because deep down, we know how fragile we are. But this fear is new. For most of human history, we were not prey. We were the ones animals feared. Early humans lived in a world of danger, lions, hyenas. Yet humans didn't hide. They expanded. This is the story of how modern humans became afraid, and how early humans became the predators. Unlike prey, humans have forward-facing vision, built for tracking. Unlike scavengers, we didn't wait. We hunted. We didn't rely on surprise. We relied on relentless pursuit. Modern culture paints early humans as barely surviving, dirty, slow, club-wielding creatures hiding in caves. That image is wrong. Early humans were athletic, resilient, and dangerously intelligent. They walked 10-15 kilometers a day without exhaustion. They ran long distances under the sun. They carried heavy loads. They fought through injuries. Their bodies were not optimized for comfort. They were optimized for survival and killing. Why predators feared humans? Most predators hunt with short bursts of effort. A lion sprints, a leopard ambushes. A wolf chases, then gives up. Humans didn't, humans followed. They tracked footprints, blood drops, broken grass. An animal could run, but it could not escape forever. This strategy, persistence hunting, turned humans into something no animal had ever faced. A predator that never stopped. Animals didn't understand it. They ran, they rested, they ran again. But the humans were still there. Hour after hour, eventually fear broke the animal before the spear did. Early humans didn't roar. They didn't announce themselves. They hunted in silence. Communication happened through gestures, eye contact, and positioning. They surrounded prey slowly. They forced panic. This wasn't chaos. It was strategy. Large carnivores learned to avoid human groups. Not because humans were bigger, but because we were unpredictable. A lion kills to eat. Humans killed to eliminate threats. When humans arrived, megafauna disappeared. We hunted prey before lions could. We weren't just part of the food chain. We restructured it. Subscribe for more real human history.